Okay, I will explain you technique how to make your legs looks very, very beautiful. So stay like this. Now, with your arm, touch the back of my leg. You touch here, feel this.
Okay.
You see, whenever I step, I'm tensing this back thigh, that back muscle. I'm tensing it, and the feeling is like it's tense and the energy pushing to the heel. And when I step, you see, I tensing before I go. Now I tense when I this here.
Yeah.
You see, it's very powerful. Not front, the back,
Okay.
here,
Okay.
under your bum.
Okay.
And then allows me to slide and till here, till here. It's still this leg. And now when I bend this leg, now you have to press the back here on this side. And as you straight, keep pressing this muscle. It has to be, freely tight. Not the front muscle, only the back. So let's try. And very good. So you see where I touch you here, it's under your bum, above your knee. You feel this muscle is responsible for your straight leg and groundness. Now watch here. Straight the leg, and now use this muscle, push it, tense it, and feeling like it's going to the heel. Slide a little bit, and now as you finish leg, still feel the tension in here on the back of your leg. Now, as this leg bends, now do it the same on the other leg. Go and especially at this moment, you see, so this muscle here has to be very, very, strong and, quite tense and feeling like it's pushing to the heel. Yes, and now slide. So stay there, do this exercise. 1, 2, 3. Keep legs straight and just slide like this. 1, 2, 3, and on 4, walk. And again, and so tensing the back muscle, which most of people do not know it even exists there. Right, now this side. And this immediately will make your legs looks much more powerful. And very good, step forward. Now as you twist, immediately start working this muscle. So this muscle is above your knee, under your bum. Right, the back muscle for the groundness, for the beautiful legs. Walk, and I go cha-cha-cha, cha-cha, 1. Now feel, when you in this leg, still stay behind. So you still work your left leg. But moment when you want to twist, you're going to change it to your right leg. Press it here. But if you over tense your hip, it's tend to go a little bit broken. But if you work this back muscle, it's going to be very good. Now go walk, walk, cha, 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 walk, walk, cha, cha, cha. So now we're going to go through routine, and every step you'll feel this muscle.
Okay. Good.
Okay, good. That's it.